How to change your profile picture on Viber. Want to give your Viber profile a fresh new look? Changing your profile picture is quick and easy. I will show you how to do it in just a few taps. First things first, open your Viber app and tap the More button, that's the three little lines in the bottom right corner. Then tap Settings to access all your account options. In Settings, tap on your name or profile at the top. This will open your profile page where you can see your current profile picture, name and status. Tap on your profile picture. You will get options to take a new photo with your camera or choose one from your gallery. Select your favorite photo, adjust it if needed and tap Done or Save. And that's it. Your new profile picture is now visible to all your Viber contacts. You can update it anytime to keep things fresh. And that's how easy it is to change your Viber profile picture, personalize your account, show off your style and stay connected. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.